Hello and welcome. I just picked up this 20V cordless trimmer, grass trimmer from local budget supermarket Lidl. Comes with battery and charger not included. It's a PRTA 20LAC3. This was only $17.99. So can it actually do the job is the question. So we'll get it out of the box and see what happens. If we lift it out of the box there, we have the trimmer itself, we have a handle, we have the guard, we have the manual, so yeah, that can go right. And we have this here. So some assembly is necessary. However, it doesn't seem to be too bad. The handle goes on there and there's a spare roll of string and the handle, which I think is a nice touch. So you're slacking these two screws out, you know. Apparently he slid this in like this, and then you tighten that up and you that on. That's the guard on now. Right, one of the features is this push button here that flips the head up, makes it adjustable, a couple of different positions. And there's also another thing here, these around the body. This thing is amazingly small and compact. I'm going to have to put a battery in it and see if there's any power at all. I went for a 4 amp battery, which is sort of recommended. So we'll see how it does. I have to say this thing has absolutely no power. If you have a small garden, it might do the job, but I think, honestly, this thing is $17.99. I don't know how you can put the together for that. No, this thing is totally crap. So here we are, the Parkside grass trimmer. Thoughts are, it's just not up to the job. It's just crap. It was $17.99. I don't know what you really use it for. It's not that great, but how they can put that together and market it for $17.99 is actually impressive. Even though it is crap, it's useless. I don't recommend this time, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.